In the previous video, we downloaded and installed the DXPR Builder, and we basically figured out how to get it to work in a brand new website. So what we're looking at here is a website that already has content and content types configured. And what we want to do here is make the XPR Builder work on the content we already have. So here we are looking at a page that's not built with the XPR Builder. It was in fact built with Drupal core's text editor. And we're going to enable the XPR Builder by finding the right content type configuration and going to the Manage Display Form. So in this case, for the landing page content type. So here I'm going to select the XPR Builder as field formatter on the body field and save. And when I reload here, we can see the XPR Builder is working. So that's how easy it is to enable the XPR Builder on our existing content type. Okay, so what I want to do next is I want to make the blog content in the footer editable with the XPR Builder as well, so that I can design the footer content using our visual content editing tool. So to do that, we need to first know what types of block we have. So if we go to structure, then we go to block layout, custom block library, and then we need to figure out which blocks are the footer blocks. So I think the footer promo block on this website is this block over here. Right, and this is the disclaimer block because this text is a disclaimer. So the disclaimer is of the block type disclaimer block. It's a bit strange that in this Drupal demo website they have so many block types, but that's the one we want to edit. So I go to the block types tab up here, and then I'm going to manage display on the disclaimer block type. So let's say first I want to test this on the copyright section, which is the right hand side of the block. Save it and reload. And now we see the XPR Builder is active here. So what I might want to do is like add our logo to the footer, for example. Upload it, but I can also just copy the image URL here. That's not the right URL. Make it small. Okay, that's maybe too small. Yeah, that looks fine. So yeah, now we have a visual editor here. I can save it. It will say that we saved the field copyright block on the umami disclaimer block. And if I want to, I can also enable the XPR Builder on the other side of the block by setting it on this field. So if I refresh now, we have two separate DXPR Builder instances here. So yeah, this is how we integrate DXPR Builder with our existing content. There's going to be another video in which I'll describe why we can't enable the XPR Builder the same way on this content type and how we integrate the XPR Builder with the Drupal core layout builder module.